Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to New York. The local time here is approaching 11:40. While we taxi to the terminal, please keep your seatbelt fastened until the captain turns off the fasten seatbelt signs. All of us need to remain seated and keep the aisles and exits clear, so we'll return any items we've stowed for you as soon as we arrive. Please keep your mobile phone in flight mode until after arrival. And remember that most airports don't allow you to use mobile phones or cameras in the customs and immigration hall. Before you leave us, remember to check around your seat and in the seat pocket to make sure you have everything. When opening the overhead lockers, be careful as items may have moved during the flight and could fall and cause an injury. We recycle our headsets, so please leave them on your seat for us. And if you're making a donation to Change for Children, we'll collect it at the door as we say goodbye. If you've requested assistance, please stay in your seat until most other customers have left the aircraft. We'll then be able to help you. We hope you've enjoyed your time on board with us today. Wherever you're going, have a safe journey, and we look forward to welcoming you back on board again soon. If you need any information to help plan your next flight, take a look at our website virginatlantic.com or find us on Facebook or Twitter. We'll pass you into the care of our airport staff. Thank you and good morning.